What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. Today we're watching a couple of movers. The top of my watch list was BLIN. It has done some moves here, but I mean, I just kind of watched it do its moves. BLIN does have a shelf registration for this year. I really don't know what it wants to do today. The other one that I was watching was ONSAT or OSAT. If it can get going upwards, it's even lower float than BLIN, and it has no shelf registrations. Actually, let me go and check and make sure. Last time I checked, it had no shelf registrations, but things can change. OSAT. Yes, no shelf registrations on that one. So definitely looking like a better one to me if it can get going upwards. But for now, we can watch BLIN go to the moon. It came out of this flat range here of the 1250s was the high here. Flat range of the 1250s. Pulled back a little bit to that level and then continued upward. I really didn't expect it to go this much on today. It has no news. It's just kind of getting traded up. Well, it has some hype news. Bridgeline leads meme stock surge and sharp volume spike. So it's a meme stock. Still shooting. Crazy movement. Closed on Friday all the way up at the $9. Opens today at the $13, or is up to the $13, which is just insane. Okay, OSAT bottoming out here. I want to see this one start to kind of hold that 625 level and then start to challenge that 640 level if it can. Oh boy, BLIN, man. I really thought this was it for it, but it faked me out. Might go ahead and go to $14. It keeps getting hyped up. We can see that the buying volume is ramping down here. We got this big sell, buy, sell, and now the buying volume is actually ramping down. So be careful if you're going to be trying to take quick scalps, unless this increases, which it looks like it wants to do there. Yep, it's increasing, going back up. I think we may see a $14 touch here, but it's way too extended for entries right now. And I forgot to turn my chat on. Probably need to get that up. All right, there we go. Now the chat is operational. BLIN looking like it wants to fade a little bit. I don't know about this one. This one's just kind of going up, but it has. I made money on it at the end of Friday. It was going up here. I took my profit, and now, you know, this thing is $4 higher than I sold right here at the aftermarket. But Friday was a holiday, going into a long holiday weekend, so I did not want to leave my money in there overnight. OSAT making its way back up, gapped up there. I'm really liking OSAT. Has no shelf registrations. If it can give a pullback above the VWAP, I might be interested here. And I could just use this as my out, this little 615-ish level. But we will see. Definitely gonna have to get some more volume in there, but it looks good. This one's still grinding higher. I guess this will be good for very small scalps, you know, the 5-10 cent scalps. But I don't need to waste my money today. I need a bigger run than that. Finally giving some red. The VWAP is pretty close on the 15-minute. It's at 1275, so we'll see if it can drop back down there and stay above the 12s or not. Maybe the backside of the move coming. OSAT just is sitting still now. BLIN, will it break down this bottom here of the 1330s? Looking like it's pushing down quite a bit. So it's run one time, two times, and then I don't know if it can do it a third time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's already done it a third time. So I will let this one pull back. There we go. That's what I wanted to see on OSAT. All right, so up here, I'm gonna take a little bit and just use this bottom as my out. Low of the 616. If it can get into the, actually I need to see it do a pullback first. That's really the first thing I need to see. But it looks good. Planning on taking 100 shares of this. If it can give us a pullback. Wow, look at that thing go. Waiting for the pullback though. Can we get that pullback here? Waiting for it. It's not going to give it to us. If it just goes here, it'll be going without me. Can't really take it without that pullback. 80s. Wow. Still waiting on the pullback here. Top side was at 695 there, which would be resistance with no pullback above VWAP. Would be a nice level of resistance. There you see that rejection. We want to see if it can stay above this level of the 4 or the 650. Waiting and watching. Held up this $6 level pretty nicely. Got a little bit of a gap and a run up, but has not given my setup yet. So I'm being patient. Queuing. Oh yeah, I got absolutely tore up on queuing was that last week? Yeah, here it is in my watch list. I believe that was last week, yeah. Queuing is definitely a faker. It'll kill me. Other time, man, it was going up, faking the top, and I mean, it was absolutely diving. All right, BLIN looking like it's on the backside of its move. I'm going to continue watching OSAT. It's got the lowest float, and it's almost in my setup. So I'm just going to watch it and see if it can give us a pullback here above VWAP. Would be nice. There it is, finally coming up there on the scanner. Getting enough volume. So we'll see. Looking for it to give us some red though. Give us some red above this previous low of the 615. And it's also got this gap up from the 625, so it may come back and fill the gap here, right there. So we want to be careful of that as well. I'm not even going to worry about it coming back down here to the 570s. I cut off before that. Right now it currently has 0.84 million in the float, so less than a million in the float. Yeah. All right, so will we get some red here? Come on and pull down. Love to see some more pull down, but it's kind of getting bought up off that level. There we go. 660. Let's see where this one closes up. It's got 4 minutes on this candle. See what BLIN is doing up here as well. Look at that. Trying to set back up. I don't trust that stock. Getting bought back up right there. Can it hold over this low? Low is a 660 there. This will be the first pullback above VWAP. Yep. If it can stay red here. 70s getting tested again. Can it break the 70s? Okay, getting bought up big right there. Still want to see this one close. The nice little close here. Red. Oh, it's going green. Well, let's see. Could do a quick scalp here off the top. I'll take, oh, I'm in the wrong one. 92s. Yeah, it's looking like it's ready to go. Can we see the 95 start to hold? It's a very slow movement. 705's in there. I'm gonna wait for a pullback here. I'm gonna be a little bit more patient. If you want to trade it, you can go ahead. But I gotta see this pullback. And I know you can say, well, this was a pullback here, but it wasn't the pullback I'm looking for. Got a minute left here. See if we can get some pullback now off of this one. Yeah. I saw that dip being bought up and I liked it, but I was like, ooh, maybe I should enter small share size instead of entering 100 shares. I don't know. Missed opportunity, but still, it just wasn't my setup. So I guess it was, I mean, it was a good buy, but oh well. Hindsight trading, right? Let's see if we can get some red at any point here. Or will it just get bought to the moon? And now, for sure, I can use the bottom of this for an out. Low is a 737. Ah, yeah. Well, didn't follow my rules, so I couldn't take that one. Wow. Missed opportunity there. Should have got in with at least 25 shares. Would have made what? Like 679, 680 level all the way up to the 780 level. That's $1. It would have been 20 bucks. Oh boy. Oh well, follow my rules. Looking for the red. Hitting the 750s, giving us a little movement down. Top of this was the 770. Up here we have a resistance of the 781. So 10 cents away from that major point of resistance up there is where it just was. And we also have the 200 moving average up here. So we will see this thing, man. If they can just give us some red, that'll be great. It's like it wants to go and test the 30s again. Nice. Let's see if it can hold above VWAP. Will it finally give us our red? Almost to a million shares traded. ARCs, ARCK. What is it? What is this, OCT? Bro, this thing is flatlining. Where it doesn't even have volume. Let me go look at the news. No news. What would make you interested in ARC? Maybe not for a day trade, but maybe a longer term hold. What will make you interested? Oh, ADXS. ADXS. I was like, what? Okay, ADXS. Let's look at this news. 47 cents. ADXS and Biosite announced entry into definitive merger agreement. Okay. Entry into definitive merger agreement with, so it gapped up 44%. Of course, I don't trade them until they get over the $2 range for day trades, but maybe for a longer term trade, maybe. It is above the 200 moving average now. The 200 moving average was down here at the 40 or the 55. So it could start giving some moves above, but as you can see, it has previous resistance up here at the 76 and the 65. So it could come up and hit that 65 and slam down. It looks like it already did right here on these ones right here. Yep, hit all of that and just slam down. So it's gotta prove itself. But back over to OnSat, we got a little powwow here. See if we can buy the dip. $7.11s. Where will it stop? Trying to get bought up here. I'm gonna let this one play out because of that top and tail on the last bar, and let this one give me an entry point. This one, this high is a 37 right now, and probably is gonna touch the 40s and then come back down. 41 there, 40, 41, 44. Okay. So the high is the 746 right there. It's looking pretty good. Love for it to get that rejection back through the 40s, but it doesn't look like it's going to. All right, let's play it. This time I'm not going to let it leave me in the dust, but I am going to be a little bit patient. It just hit the 50s. Okay, there it is bouncing down. So it wasn't the 40, it was a 50. 50s. Can we stay below the 50s real quick? Can we get back below? Nope. All right. 54, trying to hold up the 50s. I don't see the 50s on the bid. There's the 50s on the bid. How many minutes do we have? 3 minutes on this one. Facing a little bit of rejection there. Whoo! All right. I'm gonna play this one small though. Wish it could pull back a little bit. There's the 50s again. Continues to snap off of those 50s. '48s. 51 back up there. Can it hold the 50s? '48s. A little bit of snapping. Okay. High is the 758, so okay. Glad I didn't enter there, but man, it was tempting. It was tempting. Almost got me there. Okay. All right, BLIN, what is it doing? Trying to get back up there, giving some fakes again. Don't like that. That was one fake, two fake. It's going higher, but it's giving some fakes for the scalpers out there. All right. Let's see. VWAP is at the 675 pretty much. BLIN also getting back up there. I don't know what it wants to do. The 9 is at the 682 here. Love to see it stay up. Okay. Tried to go down twice now. Let's see if it breaks down these lows of the $7, or will it hold it up off the 719s. Got a full 5 minutes on this candle. The low here was a 708. Okay, I like it. All right, I'm gonna play small ball here. Let's see, can I get the 40s back in there? Oh, yeah, it can. Can we get the 40s back up there? Ugh. Looking kind of weird here. Kind of snatching off of those 40s a little bit. Hmm. Okay. 40s up there. Can we see the 43s? Nope. Big snatch down. Back up there again. These snatchers are getting me, man. All the way down to the 25 on the bid. Okay. See if it holds up. BLIN again, not really shooting out again. Kind of looking heavier and heavier, especially on the 15-minute. Lot of selling pressure there. All right, let's get back over here. Trying to hold up those 25s there. Three minutes left, or 2 minutes left on this candle. It's 8:08 or 9:08. We're about to see if this one wants to give a run. This candle can close green. I am interested. Okay, 30s coming back in there. Needs to stay above the 30s. I like it now. See the 40s on the bid. All right, I'd like that. Can we see the 40s? Yep. All right, I'm gonna enter there. Small share size, just 25 shares. I like that a little bit too much. 15 cents up. See if it can blast through that top. $0.20 up. 75, 30 cents up, 40 cents up. Should I start to take? Not yet. Not yet. I just took 25 shares. I didn't really take a lot. If it gets to $1, it'll be 25 bucks. So I'm up 60 something cents now. Let's see if we can stay strong up here. Slowing down a little bit, but I think it can continue. All right, so let's see if this one breaks down here. The bottom of this is a 713. I just get all out. I'm not even gonna play with it. Can we get that blast through the top here? 1820s. Can we see it? 1820. There we go. Just a little bit out. Okay, 1824s. All right, so now I'm up $1 almost. Okay, can we get that dollar? Start taking off a little. All right, $1.12 there. Nice. Let's see, can we continue up? All right, there we go. I'm gonna start popping some off. I'm getting a little nervous. $1.42 up here. Popping some off. Get down to 20 shares, I guess. Yeah. All right, can we get the, ooh, oh, it's taking, baby. Let's go. Can we stay above the 75 here? That's what I'm looking for. 85s, 90s. Can we get the $9? I'm gonna sell a little bit there. See if we can break the nines with 15 shares. Selling, selling, selling. All right, there's the $9 right there with 15 shares. And kind of hit resistance. All right, 13 shares left. Taking. 12 shares left. All right, 20s. Will it fall back below the 9s? Looking like it's working its way back down there. Looking, waiting, watching. Can we hold up here? I got 10 shares left. I'm up $1.30 or $1.60, so I'm okay. Take a little bit there. I'm not gonna leave much on the table. 9/10s. Can we get another push out? Struggling on the 9/10s, taking there. Can we get that pop through the 10s? 11s, 12, or back to the 10s, taking. Oh boy. Below the 90s, I'll take all. Taking all there. And some kind of way I went short. Nice. So I'm just going to get out there. All right, so let's see what the gap balance is. I'm up 35 bucks on that trade, 25 shares. Nice, nice. So we'll wait for it to come back down and see what else it can give us. But that was a nice little trade there. Only 25 shares, so it only cost me, let's see, it only cost me 186 bucks to make that, and then I accidentally went short. But 186 bucks to make that 35 bucks. All right, so I only lost on that one short trade right there. 14 cents on that short. I don't know how it went short, but whatever. We're sitting there now. Let's get ready to watch it some more. It's taking profit quickly. BLIN still gauging up. This one's just too extended. It started getting weak up here, so I started to really pull back on my position size. All right, so up here, it is up 9, 10. So it's about in this range right here. Resistance. 9, 10 is becoming some resistance, and we'll put this as support. So 9, 10 resistance. Then we have our support. TOS doesn't allow shorting on ONSAT. You can short it. Yeah, I can short it. Yep. I just went short on it on accident. I accidentally pressed the sell button too many times and went short 5 shares. All right. Pulling back now. See what it wants to do here. It's not even, it's 15 minutes away from the open bell. So I've already got a little bit of a cushion today. May take some small scalps here if it can continue pushing up. Let's see, what's this? 9:14. Small scalp time. Can it get across the 15s on the bid is what I want to see. Very quick scalps here. 15 on the bid. Needs to hold the 15s. 15. Not seeing those 15s stay up there. 10s, 11s, 14s, 11s, 13s, 15s. Come on, hold those 15s there. There we go. Taking small share size for the top move. If it shows me red, I'll be out. Out right there. Did not like that. Should have just went. Let's try it again on this candle. If this candle closes below, see it's going down. I'm not gonna worry about it. It's a little bit too high. That's why I was playing smaller. Will it break the 9? Yeah, it's breaking down the 9. So we'll let that one play by itself. This one went up again to this high, BLIN, to the high of the 14s, and now it's kind of cutting back again. But that was a nice move if you're willing to hold for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. That was a nice move, but I don't have that patience. I'm not blessed with patience like that. So OSAT definitely gave me what I was looking for. Can you short BLIN? Probably. Probably. I'm not gonna try it because every time I go short, I don't mean to. I'm not trying to go short. SQBG was one that was moving on the other day as well, moving on up. Big moves right there. But I don't like that setup though. That's the only problem right there. That setup looks nasty. All right, so can we get that 15, or actually is this a double top? High of 25, high of 29.23. But hold on. So with my account, I have a cash account. What's up, Daniel B? I'm already green on the day. You missed it. I have a cash account. So the trades that I do in here, it's a cash account. It's not a margin account. So I'm trading my own money. And so when you see me go short on accident, it's a software issue. So it's not like I'm getting shares or doing anything like that. This is a cash account. But it does cost me to accidentally go short. So if I lose my money. All right. BLIN still gaining. SBG, we'll see about that one. I'm waiting for this one to pull back some. It's just really extended. Yeah, Daniel B. This is me for the day. I took a quick scalp, 25 shares, 35 bucks, $186 position. So I was like, oh well, I'll take what the market gives me. I was scared to take this one down here before it pulled back, but as soon as it pulled back, I got in right in this level and it shot up. So it paid me. I did go short by accident, and that's the only red trade that I have. Or actually, no, I have two. I have two. I tried to scalp the top of it and lost 14 to 17 cents, but the top pull off was $1.70 in the profit. All right, so can this thing give us some red, or is it ready to go for a scalp? All right, I'm gonna enter a little bit there to see if it can pop through. Can we pop through here? Can it be a sporadic stock? If it goes red, probably looking to take off. I'm only in 5 shares, so if it wants to go, it can go. Yeah, let's get out there. All right, we'll wait for the dip then. Running away, yeah. Oh yeah, it's probably. I doubt it's gonna drop. The one that I'm expecting to drop is BLIN at the open. This one, I guarantee you, it's gonna put on the full scuba suit and take everybody with it. But OSAT, I think it's gonna continue moving higher. Oh yes. Oh yes. Make that way down. Give me another entry point. Hey, if I can make 30 bucks per 25 shares, I'm cool with that. I was gonna get in 100 shares on this, but I mean, I guess safer plays sometimes work out. Is this one still going up? SQBG. It's doing some things. But I'm still not interested. That's just a nasty chart right there. All right, let's see how much this one dips. Are we on the backside of the move yet or no? Let this candle close up. Go ahead and push all the way down there to the 50s. Can we get through the 50s for a dip buy? Yep. Yep, Daniel B, you're exactly right. That's exactly what I was thinking too, because it's a meme stock. It has it's like GameStop. I mean, it is a very dangerous thing to be in. Okay, so we're pulling back up already. I may start buying the dip somewhere in here, but I want a little bit better confirmation down here. This one's got 3 minutes left on it. I do like it though. See if we can get back down there under those 60s. Wow, getting bought all the way up. Crazy. All right, now that's interesting. So we have a bottom we can play here at the 860. Right there. We'll see how that plays out. Could be the next MRIN. Yeah, it could be, but we're about taking profit over here. We don't want to get trapped in something because it looks like it's going to go higher. But, man, that thing can take your soul so quick. But we will watch it on the open to watch it fail. OSAT is the one that I'm really interested in right now for a move higher. Coming back on down there, I like it. BLIN faking again, coming up here to the top of the 1417s. Will it go? Will it do a breakout? I'm not going to take it because it's definitely taking too long to pay. Took what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes just to get up here. So it's in turtle mode right now. Nicholas Morello, those stocks can burn you. Yep. Yeah, that's why I'm like, I don't know about that one. Okay. Where is this gonna close? Okay, nice. Will this one break on down? We'll see. Can it work its way back into the body of this candle into the 90s and start to hold those 90s? That's what I'm looking for. Hold those 90s. $81. Yeah, it can be the same pattern, but it's a different ticker. It has a different lifeblood. You know what I mean? Like every ticker is different. So different sectors, different business strats, different executives. So it can definitely fake you out if you try to compare tickers to one another. It's just not good. It'll be a different thing if it was a pattern within BLIN that you had seen before. All right, let's see if we can start to hold those 90s here. That's what I want to see. 80s, 84s, 90s, man, becoming a place of resistance, huh? Uh-oh. Looking heavy. Uh-oh. Putting on the scuba mask. Yeah. Yeah, the pattern can be there, but, you know, guesstimating what everybody else is going to do is hard in any stock. Let's see if this thing holds up that 75. It looks like it slowed down at the 75 there. Can we start to hold those 90s? There we go, 85s. I'm going to use this as a bottom, this low of the 55 there. Looking for it to start holding those 90s. It's got 3 minutes, 2 minutes left on this candle. Not breaking out of the 80s now, holding up the 80s. 85s. Man, this thing is just not doing what I thought it would be doing here. May have to wait a little bit. 80s. One minute left, getting back into the 90s. Can we do it? Start to hold those 90s. There we go. I like it. 1 minute left. I'm going to play this. If it can get over the 95 on the bid. 91s. 92s. Can we get that 96? Can we see the 96 here? Breaking down a little bit. Should have held those 90s there. I'm going to go ahead and decrease my size. I was going to go in, but the way it's looking. 92s, 90s. Okay. About to close this candle up. Nice. Market is open. Oh, I didn't even realize the market was about to open. All right. Very small moves out. Didn't like that. Let's let it pull back. It's still above VWAP. Could bounce off of VWAP possibly. It's definitely at the top of wherever it's at. BLIN is popping back up there as well. I'm wondering which one's gonna go. BLIN did not make a major move out, so I'm not gonna worry about that one. Back over to Onset, which is the one that I like the most. Ooh, All right. Well, at least we're safe right now. What's up, One Life? Um, I'm already green on the day. Took some profit on OSAT. Trying to see what it can do for the rest of the day. It's definitely a low float. It has a little bit of a bottom here at the 771 that I already marked, and it's already hit its top of the 920. So I'll see how close it can get back to that 771. Getting the pops right there. BLIN, let's see, did it take people to the dump? Oh my goodness. Y'all, it baptized them with fire. Oh my goodness. XELA. XELA. Nicholas says XCLA. What in the world is it up for? We don't know. Sector update, live markets, June flavor. What's the float on this one? XELA. Mm, float is 35.12 million. Uh, yeah, 35 million. And let's see, does it have any crazy things in it? XELA has a shelf registration for this year, so be careful. Very heavy stock. I usually trade them once they get strong above the $2. And this one is barely getting over the $2. So be careful. BLIN, man, that thing took a dip. On set. Okay, on set. Looking at it. Looking to get in here. Let's do 25 shares here. Oh, whoa, I'm in the wrong one. Jesus Christ, I messed myself up. Okay, now we're good. All right, I'm gonna do 20. Oh boy. Well, I was gonna do 25 shares. I accidentally had my hotkeys selected on another box. In Street Smart Edge, if you want to use hotkeys, you have to make sure this box is pressed, so it has the gold around it, so you can take your trades. But we'll see. Like I said, this was the one that I thought could continue higher. Anyway, if we can cross that, get over those 30s, I'll take small share size. 31s, 32s. Don't see the 30s on the bid. Not holding. Need to see the 32s. Looking weak. Yeah, I don't like that. All right, let's go look at SQBG. SQBG also moving out, but I really don't like this setup. This thing, I don't know, man. Woo. A little bit higher priced. I guess we can go back over here. This one's dipping down, so we can watch a SQBG for pullbacks up to $20 now. This is the same. Now this pattern is the exact same pattern that we saw on was it QN, CUEN, or I think it was QN, and this went into a halt. Looks like, yeah, halted on OSAT coming back into play, pulling back up there. So it's making its little moves. I'm gonna use this as an out, low of the 856. Let's see if we can get a play to the high side. I'm gonna let this one, do I want to let this one close? I mean, I could play it small here. I think I'm gonna let it close. It's kind of struggling. ALF. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna see where this one's going first, and then I'll go and check out ALF. Okay, I like this one though. Can't get the 15s. Yes, it did. Ah, right up to the, and what's the high of this? The high of this is the 25. May play it small. But it is holding up that VWAP. I'm gonna play it small. I'm not gonna put a lot in here. Maybe like 5 shares just to see what it does. 5 shares right there, just to see what it does. If it breaks down this 857, I'll be out. Whatever. Not really willing to add here. Low is the 8. Yeah. Get on out of there. Get on out of there. Don't like it. All right, SQBG is the one that went into the halt. We'll see how high it opens up. This one can get crazy as well. I really don't want to get hurt here. SQBG can definitely take our souls. Let me go in. I don't know what this one wants to do. It's kind of crazy. All right, SQBG. Let's do a little research. No shelf registration. Has less than $1 million in the float. Okay. Yeah, right at $1 million. So I add that to my notes. No shelf. I guess whatever OSAT went on down, or is going on down. Should have just waited for confirmation above the VWAP, but I got impatient. But I did play small, so I didn't lose all of my profit on the day. What time is this one supposed to be popping out? SQBG is supposed to be popping out at 9:35. So the 41.26 or the 40.26. 40.26. So less than a minute, really. We'll see if it can bless us. If not, oh well. I'm gonna play small. It is a more expensive stock, so I don't want to burn all of my capital on it. But I do believe it can go a little bit higher. ALF got rejected. Let's see. 40.26. Let's see what happens. Let's see, can we add back? I had 30 bucks. I don't know what I'm down now. Probably like 33, but I'll check it after this. All right, let's get ready to play small on this expensive stock. Here we go. What? Okay, it must be a 10-minute halt. So let me go and make sure that I check that time right. 35.26. Yeah, should have opened up. Okay. All right, back to OSAT. Where are you at? OSAT taking the dive of the day. Let's see, LA. What was the other one? BLIN. Whew, that thing just, boy, took souls, boy. And then that other one you said was ALF. ALF did take a nice dip. All right, so I guess SQBG must be a 10-minute halt, so I'll wait and see. Let's check what the SPY is doing as well. Whew. Well, that doesn't look good. SPY is absolutely ripping down, which means the V. Oh, I missed it. I should have been ready to trade this. It should be up. Yep. This one, but it's not up much. It's not even giving much volume. Most of the time when the SPY dumps, I come over here and make a quick little buck when the SPY is dumping. But the thing is, it hasn't broke. If it breaks this bottom here of the 430.25, then it'll probably have more of an effect. But you know, the SPY only knows one direction, up. All right. So waiting on the 45.26 for SQBG. Matter of fact, BSQR broke out. BSQR. Why is it not on my scanner? Why? Why? Oh, yeah, that's gonna be a fake. Look at that setup. That's crazy. What's the news on it today? No news on today, just sporadically breaking up. Yeah, you'll have to show me a pullback above VWAP. I just don't jump in on those kind. Buy that dip. Yeah, it looks good. What's the top side of this? The top side is the 584 resistance level. Right there. 584. I can get rid of these. This is from when the last time I traded this. Facing a little bit of resistance up there. A lot of resistance. All right, so back to SQBG. It should be opening in a minute. Looking like this one's about to dump. All right, let's get back over here to SQBG real quick. It's a 10-minute halt. Maybe a 15-minute. We don't know. Let's see if we can get this pullback though. Matter of fact, yeah, I want to see a pullback on this because it hasn't certified over VWAP yet, so we don't know what the trend is. Plus, this it looks absolutely nasty right here. So I'm just gonna let it pop. There it pops. Wow, that was a high pop. Let's see the drop. Oh my goodness. Wow. Not playing any games there. Barely gave a pop down there. Has resistance level up here at the 25.46. Wow, that was a huge pop. So literally gave just a second. I mean, did anybody take that trade right there? Anybody get in? If you got in, let me know. Let me know what price you got in. Did you get in down here at the bottom of the wick or did you get in up here? That was crazy. That's a, let's see, that's a $4 move right there. Boom, open up here, barely gave it. So 20 up to the 20. That is amazing. That's 20 bucks on 5 shares. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then it has resistance right there at the 25. So that's what we don't want to get choked at. 25.46. Mm. I don't know, man. That was a quick one. I mean, I use hotkeys and still my fingers only move so quick. Let's go and check our other victims out here. Still being victimized down there. Queuing victims. What was the other one? Onset, BSQR, BLIN. Still robbing people. So yeah, we're gonna stick to SQBG. Looks the best on the day. But man, that was a quick one. So I'm definitely gonna play small on this one because if I lose $4 on 5 shares, that's 20 bucks gone on 5 shares. So just like it can move up, it can definitely move down. On the daily chart, it's working its way up to this high of the, it's like the 25.30 resistance level. All right. 25.25 is the high. All right, MSEC. Sleep well, brother. He said, I'm going back to bed. He's like, nah, bro, I'm straight. All right, OXBR popping up there on the scanner as well. We'll check that one out. So let me make sure that we don't miss. All right, MSEC. What is 45.52? So it'll be opening up in about a minute. All right, 52 seconds left. Let's see if we can play ball here. Small ball, of course. Will it give us that pullback? Getting ready. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds. Give us that red. Got up there and hit. Let's see the red. Come on. Give us the red, bro. Chill. Okay, there's a little pullback. Wow. No red. I can't enter here. Come on, shorts. You got this. Push them out. Let's go, shorts. Come on. Give us the red. Let's go, shorts. Pile on. There we go. Hit him with the red. Oh, come on. Give us the red. There we go. All right. How far red can we go? Can we explode down? Give us that red. Come on. All right, well, it's not looking like it wants to give us red, huh? Jesus Christ. All right, prayers are not being answered here. Let's go. Calm down. Come on, man. Looking for the red here. We need confirmation on a stock this volatile. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah. Let's see you drop. Come on. Nice topping tail there. Shorts doing their work, piling on. We want to see it hold up this level here. Let's see. What's this? 2097. So we have one level of support down here. Okay. Waiting for those shorts to do their job. It has a range here. Wow. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Being patient. It's got yeah, 1 minute left on this candle. Want to see this thing go more red. VWAP is at the 2352. It's very close, so it can definitely slam down. Very, very close. Very close to VWAP. Going down there, touching VWAP right there. Did it just halt going down? Was that a halt going down? I don't know. Was that a halt? Yep. All right, halted going down. Back over to OSAT. OSAT needs to give confirmation above VWAP as well. We looking for entries. Looking for these entries. Woo! Nice. Looking for a pullback here. Nice, nice, nice. Can we get any more of a pullback? It's got a full 5 minutes on this candle. Waiting for the pullback. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. I don't even care if it goes without me. Very small little poke out. Waiting. Waiting and watching. Okay, I like that. All right, so it's pretty much as long as it stays above this level of 895, it's pretty good. We have a couple minutes left on this candle. Okay, getting bought up there. Can it stay above this level of the 895 here? So I'll draw that as our support right there. 895s. Like it. All right. 3 minutes left on this candle. Will it slip below the 25s? It's slipping below the 25s, below the 20s. Holding up those 25s quite nicely. Okay, nice, nice. All right, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and looks like I'm gonna need to take a little bit here. 40s, yeah. Go ahead and take there. I'll be out at VWAP. VWAP is the 889, which I need my stop. 889. 889, I'll be out. Let's see what it wants to do here. Can we get those 50s up there? Can we get over the 35s? Nope. Looks like it's gonna stop me. Yep. Probably gonna stop me here. Looking real volatile. May break down the 9s here. 30 seconds left on this candle. Can we get the 30s back up? Can we get those 30s back in there? Need the 21s. All right, so yeah, looks like it's gonna stop me here. Needs to get back above this level of resistance, which is a 927. It can't do it. Does not look like it wants to do that. Can we get the 15s back up there? Looking, waiting, watching. Needs to get back through that 20. Haven't seen it yet. Can we get that 15? Taking a little bit too much time. Gonna get me out here. Again, down to the VWAP. Okay. Don't know if it wants to go. Kind of fake there. What's the bottom of this candle? Bottom low is the 891. 891. This thing still isn't calculating me in just yet. Okay. Nice little move there. Can we get the continuation? The top side is the high of the 976. Low here is the 891. Got a little help there. 889 I'll have to get out. $8.91. Can it get bought up and out? All right, got out right there. Could not hold that any longer. Very volatile stock. SQBG did open up and going lower. Well, I lost a little bit of profit on today, but whatever. Looked like it was going to be going out, but I just should have waited for the full pullback there. All right, 800 bucks left. Let's see if we can start to get above and hold this 925 level. Maybe a sporadic stock. OSAT. Okay, so we do have a bottom here, low of the 876. But it is struggling to get back in here into these 20s, 25 at level. All right, what do we have here? Let this candle close all the way. Don't want to get faked out here on this little candle. It's got a full 5 minutes on it. Just trying to hold up that 25. Just not getting a lot of pressure through the 25. 26s, 30s, okay. Okay, so I'm liking this one a little bit too much. Let's see, let's see. It's got 4 minutes left on this candle. Holding up the 25. Nice. $45. Yeah, it's looking like I'm gonna need to enter there. I'll be out at VWAP. VWAP is the 8.99. See if I get stopped out again here. Can we get the 45s up there? '50s, nice. '60s, man, I don't know why this thing isn't calculating my position. What in the world? Oh well, we'll wait and see, I guess. Can this be a sporadic stop? Still not calculating my position, so I don't know what I'm in. But I see the price change up here though. I don't know. Mm, not seeing it. '50s. Can we get those '60s up there? Wow. It's gonna '50s again. Touch those '60s. Slam by the shorts there. Wow. Very strong rejection at that level. Okay. $30 left on this candle. Can we get those '60s to start holding? Maybe it'll show my balance. Maybe my balance is updating. Wow, I did lose quite a bit off the top. I was up $30, but now it's just not looking too good. Let's see what it changes to. Can we get going upward? Get some buying pressure. Can we get paid here? It's not updating my account, so I just will show y'all this. Breaking the '50s down may stop me out here. Stop out point is right here below VWAP. 905 is a new stop out. Just trying to see if we can get going, but not looking too good. 918 is a new stop out. 915. That'll be a red to a green to red move here if it goes. All right. Very small movements out, very sporadic stop. Can it break this top? Its high is the 983 there. Come on. All right, if it goes red on this candle, I will be out on this 15-minute candle. Not looking good here. May get stopped out. Oh well. It's not able to hold up its end of the bargain. And will it stop me here? Almost went red on that 15-minute candle. Trying to be patient. $30 left on this one. Can we see the 41? Nope, just working its way down, looking like it's gonna stop me out here. Will it stop me or will it not? Gotta start holding up that 25. Let's see if it actually started updating. Still not updating. That's crazy. Can we get the 40s back in there? I don't know. It's kind of a flat top now across this 70 level. So this is our resistance. Have a little bit of a range here, but if it breaks the VWAP, I'm out. I don't care. It needs to see the 40s quickly. Can we see those 35s? Well, like I'm gonna get stopped here. Man, this thing is playing a lot of games. Oh, it finally started updating. Look at that. Finally started updating now. Really? All right, so we're down 11 cents or something like that. Getting bought up here. We'll see what it wants to do towards the top side, but I'm not too impressed. Needs to get through that 50. This will be the new bottom, the low of the 916, 915. I guess it's already there, huh? Yeah, it's already there. Can it push that 51? Can we touch those 50s again? Taking a long time to get there. Did not take this long the first time I traded this, so may stop me out here. Yep, stop me out there. It's okay. Lost a little bit more profit there. Taking a very long time, so I went ahead and cut that loss. 576 bucks left. Don't like that one. Yeah, I just had to cut that one right there. I'll get back in if it can certify over VWAP, but it was trying to hurt me. All right, let's see what y'all are talking about over here. I was concentrated on the trade. Let's see. CHWY. Nicholas takes trades. OSAT. Yeah, I went ahead and let OSAT go. Just very, very heavy there. Well, I lost a good bit of profit today, but I'm still green on the day, but it's a very small green day. Oh well. OSAT, man, baking me. SQBG would have baked me too if I bought that push up. So what's better, walking away small green or walking away big red? At least I'll be able to pay the taxes on these trades, I guess. SQBG. Can it confirm over VWAP? I don't know. Looking for some confirmation here. Tried to go up 4 times, huh? All right. SQBG giving a little bit of action. I may actually get in here because of the size of this 15-minute. Because if it wants to slam down, oh well. Yeah. I'm going to get in very small here and be out at the bottom of this candle, low of the 2120. Can it come down a little bit more? $23.51. Coming on down. Taking a little bit more there. I will be out at the bottom of this low 2120. 2119. Only in there 10 shares. Breaks this bottom, I'll be out. OSAT still playing with souls down there. Needs to get up above this level of the 2342. Be our resistance. $23.42. watch and see. Coming on down there though. Can we add back to the account today or nah? Only in 10 shares. I really wasn't too confident in this one. Can it hold above the 50s? Almost got to the 24s there. All right, hit it down on me. This is why I'm glad I took small share size here. Will it break down this bottom of the $20? 2024 there is the bottom. Be all out down there to 2024. Really willing to risk that. '22s, 2024. See what it does when it comes down to the 9 on the 15-minute. Still like it. See if it'll break me down. Set. Trying to reverse speed here on OSAT. Looking weak though. Low 1682. There's no way I'm gonna let it run down that much. Sitting right here on the bottom here, 24. Can we get those 70s back up there strong? Selling volume ramping down. All of the volume is ramping down. Can we get a hold on that 75? All right, OSAT. We got a bottom down here, 856. Can it get back into that uptrend? Can we see the 2230s? All right, looking like it's gonna stop me out here. Small loss for the day. I'm okay with it. It's looking for a little bit more of a move. I did lose the profit that I had on OSAT. And then this one playing around. Don't really know what it wants to do. All right, OSAT coming back into play. Looking like a 3-bar play for the shorts. If it breaks this level of the 2130, so 2125. Be looking to get out because I don't want to get trapped in a 3-bar play. If it fakes, great. If it doesn't, it will be a true 3-bar play. Now get out. If it can break over this high of the 2230s, what I've been watching for, that would be a great sign of strength. Okay. All right, looking like it's gonna be a real 3-bar play. Yep. Pulling back up right there. All it takes is a little crack there. And 3-bar play. Is it? Yep. It's the 3-bar play going down, down, down. Gonna push through this level as well. Should get a lot of selling pressure behind a 3-bar play. 1, 2, 3. Should go ahead and push through this level as well. Come on. You know you want to. Easing on down slowly. The momentum is not with it. Very small red day today. 20 bucks. Pay to play. I don't know why this one just didn't explode through though. Yeah, there it is. All right, so let's go check on BLIN. Let's go check on OSAT again. Did fell off. So man, all of the movers, I gave back my profit on the day. Small red day should not have happened, but okay. This is the slowest 3 bar play I've ever seen for the shorts. Like nobody's jumping on. 2030 is a level to beat. Right here. I mean, nobody jumped on that. $20.50 break. Can we get it? Yeah, this was a man. Yeah, I'm not liking the daily chart on this one anymore. Just not any good signals. Hmm. Took some good trades, took some bad trades, lost it all. Let's look at the realized gains and losses. On OSAT, I was up $1.70. These trades right here. Look at all these green trades got wiped out by these trades here, which is insane. Oh well. Happens like that sometimes, but I did control the loss. It wasn't like I lost 50 bucks. I know I can make 20 bucks back quite quickly. But it's just a fact. A red day is a red day. Unless I find something before 10:30 or 11:30. I think that I'm interested here because this thing is definitely slowing down a whole lot. Kind of going sideways, a little sideways consolidation here. All right. Trying to hold up that 21.25. 24.50. Is anybody still holding SQBG? Waiting for the return to the top. I just really don't like the setup. ALF. Coming down to this bottom level, 2028. Will it bounce? Buying volume in there a little bit. Let's see if we can get a ramping buying volume. $20.36 it needs to hold above. Kind of froze right there. Oh no, it's not frozen, it's just wasn't moving. kind of slowed down now. We want to see who's going to be the one on the day. BSQR. Oh, I looked at that one earlier. I believe it faded. BSQR. Let's see. Yeah, this is where I was looking at it. Faded. That daily chart looks a little lopsided. I think that's what I saw on the first time that I looked at it. The daily chart just did not intrigue me. Yeah, go back over here. This one seems to be holding up. I want to see this thing hold up. This 2119. There we go. So I'm going to enter in here. And I'm going to let it try to get back out of here. Don't know if it can. Wow, I know that's wrong. It says I'm down 20. I just entered right here. All right, 2028. 2028 will be the out. That's crazy. It says I'm already down. It's got my out ready to go if it doesn't want to get out of here. Is that a major fake? Kind of like the slam is coming. I don't know what's up with Street Smart Edge today. It has been a little wonky with the prices and things like that. I don't know what's up with it. See if we can hold that 21. Seeing the buying volume, but not really seeing the ramping buying volume that we usually see. Trying to hold up this bottom of the 21. Will it break it down? Get out on the 2050. Selling right there at the 2050. Keeps changing. 2040. There we go. See if anybody wants to buy it down here. Breaking down to 21. Break of the 20, I have to be out. I look for add positions up here as well. Looking, waiting, watching. $21.25 is what I'm looking to hold. Looking to add. $21.25. Added a little bit there. Just a little peek. Okay. Nice. Once it recalculates, that'll be nice too. All right, well, see if we can break that VWAP. Continue on. VWAP is at the 2268. Maybe a green day after all, huh? Low of this candle is the 2090. we'll have to get on down at the low of this candle. Needs to go ahead and do what it's got to do. Okay, nice, nice. Very close to this little resistance. I don't know if it can break out of it. Maybe it can, maybe it can't. Can it get through the 80s? We don't know yet. Hold up those 75s. There we go. Get a nice little pop through there. Nice. Get those 60s back up there. Gotta get the 60s. Can we push those 60s? 60s right there. Need to push through that level though. 79, good, good. Okay. Can we get that push into the 60s? Last low was a 2063. That's where I would like to see it hold up on these shares here. Trying to hold up the 22s. And we see the 21s. Uh-oh. I mean, not the 21s, the 22s is what I meant. Well, looking like I'm about to get stopped here. We really want to play that game. Looks like it's forming a flag pattern though, so I'm going to go ahead and do what I was going to do originally and say 20 bucks will be my out. Not gonna jump out too easy. A tractor? Hold up, let me see. Should be a bit better. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I am getting a mic. I just bought a mic. It's supposed to be here Friday. So that's actually my computer running this stream. My laptop computer handling everything that you see here. Mm, turned it down a bit. Yeah, man, I told y'all this computer is old, bro. This computer is literally from uh 2014. And in technology age, that's pretty old. Looking for this thing to hold up the 21s. Yeah, but I just bought a mic for this thing. I do not like the way this thing is coming down. 2063, I'm gonna have to be out just to cut the loss. Do not like the setup here. If it can give me some green, I'll take off up here, but I just don't see it. Need to see the 72s. See the 80s. Can we get the 80s on the bid? Can people start buying 80s? '72s. 73s, 75s. 80s up there. Nice. All right, well, if I can end today green, that'll be dope. Kind of just letting this thing settle out and do all of its playing that it wanted to do. It needs to blow through that 2250 though. '55s, nice. Is this an exploding candle? Looks like it's starting to be. The low is 2170. I can cut my loss there. 2170. Last low is 2151. Because if it fails again, that's not going to be good. 2151. Put my stop right down here. It needs to go. Needs to hold above this level of the 2289. Can we see those 70s back in there? Nope. Will it stop us? Not looking good here. I'll take this small loss. It's very small, so whatever. Can we get the 22.25s back up there? Almost. Too much selling pressure. It's about to dump. At least that's what it looked like. Can we get over the 10s? Looking real iffy right now. Needs to stay over those 22s. Low of the 2170. Can this thing retest anything? VWAP is at the 2236. Can it be a sporadic stock here and not go red? Nope. All right. We're ready to get out here if it dies below the last red candle. Actually, that 21 would be a better exit spot, wouldn't it? Because it's still quite a ways away from that. I do 21. $10.30 coming up. Maybe it goes up, maybe it doesn't. Can we get the 40s? Let's go BSQR. Let's go look at that. BSQR. Hey, nice move. 50, 40-cent move, nice. I'm still waiting on this flag to break out if it can do it. Touching those 40s again. Can we blow through the 40s? All right, coming on down. Will it finally break down here? I'm sitting at the 21 for out. Let's go check on BSQR. BSQR making those moves. Nice, nice. I just can't believe it's doing all this. Very sporadic stop. Can we get back over the 22s? A lot of selling right there to the 50s. Now it's going. Let's see. BSQR. Yep. Amazing trade. I think what made this get off of my, I think I changed something in here. Oh, there it is. I think that should add it back on there. Yep, there it is. Nice move though. Coming down to stop me. Wow. Beautiful move right there. Beautiful move. Hey, I clap my hands to you. Beautiful move. I don't know where you actually got in, but wow. I applaud you because I'm about to get stopped out. Looks like. 250. I just got stopped out. All right, that was a nice move. Oh, BSQR, man. Wow. Great read, Daniel B. Hey, I can't fault you. I'm glad you made money, bro. Daniel B came to play ball. Everybody, round of applause for Daniel B. 250 bucks on that play. I think I had narrowed down my list a little bit too much. I was looking for super low floats. Let's see, man. Wow, wow, wow. Looks like a double top there, doesn't it? Is that a double top? How much am I down on the day? 20 bucks. I'm okay with that. 20 bucks, man. Amazing play. Hey, I brought down the volume on my stream. Is that any better for you guys? I don't know if you can still hear the computer. But soon I will have that little mic out here. It will be away from the computer, away from the torture chamber. Actually, where are my earphones? So I can hear what y'all are hearing. Okay. It's a beast of a stock, man. Beast of a stock. Wow, this looks like what I did on OTEC or whatever that stock was at the beginning of the day, pre-market. Ah, boy. Beautiful, beautiful play. And now on the daily chart, it looks like it's reaching that resistance that I had marked earlier. I don't know how much resistance that's going to be, but that is a topping tail forming. Look at this foolishness here. SQBG about to break the flag. Too bad I'm out of money. Oh well. Yeah, it can crash. But I mean, was it up on news? Maybe it'll have retail darling Marin software more than doubles is trading balloons. Do y'all think that's good enough news for it to continue? I mean, it just did a $1 rip, so I don't know. $1 rip. All right, well, down $22 today. Small, small loss. Be back on the horse tomorrow, saddled up, and I guess more focused. You know, that guy DB out here making trades. Are you still holding BSQR? Is anybody still holding BSQR for moves higher, or did y'all dump everything? Okay. Yeah, that was a rip right there, man. Actually, I don't know if I would have taken this trade anyway. I don't know if I would have taken it unless I just got in for a ride, but definitely was looking questionable. But that's a $1 rip. That's a pretty nice rip. Yeah, I don't know why. It just looks like it's getting heavy now. Maybe it can push, but there it goes. Popping through for a 2 cent gain. 40 to the 41, 43, 3 cent gain. So those ranges are getting tighter and tighter down. I don't like it. Yeah, I thought this thing was flag patterning, but wait, did I say that right? Flag patterning. Yeah. But I don't know if that's what it's doing. It's actually just kind of losing its heartbeat right here. BSQ finally making, you got 50 cents on 500 shares. Lord have mercy. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, it is 11:30, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and shut it down. I'll do a recap real quick. This is what I did. Had some winning trades, but I gave back my profit on these Why does it say 262? Did I lose 262 on that? I don't know how I got a loss that big on that, but anyway, I'll check that out. Um, OSAT. Oh, it was having issues, so I must have just averaged down and not sold out. Anyway, OSAT $1.70 in the profit. Then I lost it all down here on OSAT, over trading OSAT, and then one on SQBG. Anyway, the transactions for today. We have. See, it didn't even refresh. Refresh that. Okay, I was about to say I know about a lot more than that. But these are the transactions on the day. We will be back tomorrow morning. Very small red day today, so I mean, I was up 30 and then lost what 50 to be down 20, but it's all good. We'll be back in the morning. 22.57 down. If you're going to continue trading, please be careful. I'm about to go and hustle and flow. And let me see. Let me get over here. Okay. Um, Again, congratulations to Daniel B. Always snagging. Congratulations to One Life. And whoever else is trading, be careful. Do not try to be Daniel B or One Life because they know a little bit more about what they're getting into. So if you're on Twitch, make sure you hit that follow button. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit the like. And we'll be back tomorrow morning. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.